Hello, good morning everyone. Now I will show you something not shocking, but here in province you will experience a lot of things to discover. Like now we found a bird. I don't know what's the name of this bird. What's the name of that bird? I will show you. Wait. Okay. Yeah, hi Ken. What's that? What's the name of that bird?
Pari-pari.
Pari-pari. Ay! Now, pupunta po sila sa Tagalogin lang natin kasi mga bata ang kasama ko dito sa probinsya namin. Ngayon po pupunta po sila sa anak ng bird na yun kasi yun natutulog siya doon. Pero hindi namin pinaglalaroan ha. Kumbaga, pinapakita lang namin na we just show you what the difference what kind of living in province. I mean the comparison in the city and here in province. It's very good to stay here because a lot of things you will experience. Like now, okay, can you show them the baby of the bird? Okay, you show them. Go up. Just
Sabi mali ako. Baka di siya. Ikaw pagsilib. Wait. Katingin. Katingin. Baba ka mo. Dairy dish.